This is the backup camera that AUTO-VOX sent me. We have right here, it pivots. We've got our solar panel right here, license plate holes right there, plus an adhesive for extra strength. Now we have our little screen that we get to view it on with little spots for the antennas, which are right here. Plus it mounts super easily right here onto our dash mount. And the dash mount has a nice adhesive to it, so it's going to stay right on there. But that's what we have. Plus we have our control, and that's out of the box. Let's throw it onto the car. All right, so here we have it just loosely set up on the dash, and we're going to hit this button right here, which I have it set so that it'll turn off after about 120 seconds, but you can change it so it turns off after 240. And if we look right here, this is the kind of clarity that we're getting. Pay no mind to my super dirty garage. The install is super easy. It fits super sleek where the license plate is. Obviously, I took that off for privacy reasons and also to keep Amazon happy. So on my Highlander, this is what we're looking at from the other one. Obviously, it's angled more towards the ground, but then we have the camera from AUTO-VOX. Now the AUTO-VOX one, the clarity is far better than what I'm getting from this one that came with the Highlander. Obviously this one's a whole lot newer, but there's a lot of features in here that you'll appreciate. So we'll go over here to menu, and this is all the adjustability that you have. Now the guidelines, you cannot change the size of them, but even without that, it still is nice to have those where you can adjust the camera and you can have those settings changed as well. So it's a super clear camera. You can mount it on your back license plate holder. On the front one, it'll record. You have the multiple settings in there and customization, and it's a super easy install. So if you're looking to upgrade from what you already have, or if you have a vehicle that does not have a backup camera, this one from AUTO-VOX, super easy to put in. You don't have to do anything complicated through an app or anything super complex to get it to connect to the camera. I literally turned the camera on in the back, plug this in, turn the key on, and it was already ready to go. So for a simple way to have a backup camera in your car, AUTO-VOX is the way to go.